When I started detailing, it was difficult because I did not have anyone guiding me to know if what I was doing was right or wrong. I rely heavily on trials and error, and it certainly took me a long time to be really good at it. And we started to wonder, what if everyone did not have to go through what I went through? So we decided to act upon it. We started to organize detailing workshops and clinics. Based on the feedbacks and results that we were seeing, we were convinced that what we are doing needs to be a regular thing. And that's how all this started. When we designed the course, we divided it into two bits. One is targeted at whose bread and butter is from detailing services, while the other is for enthusiasts who just want their car to look the best. These two segments are further divided into different levels to ensure that the skills and knowledge in detailing is a perpetual progression for you. If you are a business owner, the course you should be attending is the Professional Detailing Workshop. This workshop is designed to help you and your company to avoid common detailing mistakes and more importantly, to maximize the efficiency in delivery of your service without sacrificing quality. You don't have to sacrifice a whole lot of time for quality. You only need to learn what is the best and fastest way to resolve a problem. That way, quality and efficiency can coexist. If you are an enthusiast and you are particular about your car, the Enthusiast Detailing Workshop is modeled to meet your expectations. You will learn more about the proper way to maintain and to restore your ride in the best way possible. I like to make things fun, especially when it comes to learning. Fun is never an enemy in learning. When it comes to detailing, you don't want to just learn about the product usage. That's product training. You want to know the why, how, what and when you gain that knowledge, it is transferable to your detailing ventures no matter what circumstances are. If you are looking for a platform to get started in detailing, whether it is for business or for personal satisfaction, this is the right place to begin.